Here's another thing. Apparently, iPhone 14 battery replacements are going to cost more. I don't know how scary that is for people. I don't know how frequently, how long are people holding onto their phones? This is another blind spot for me. It is the battery that seems to be the reason why people eventually choose to upgrade to a new phone. But in this case, they're making that even more likely by increasing the cost of a battery. Now you're going to look at it and be like, do I want the battery? Do I want... Apple stores can replace the battery inside an iPhone 14, 14 Plus, 14 Pro, and 14 Pro Max for $99 in the US, which is up from $69 on the previous models. In case you don't want to do the math, Mac Rumors has, that's a 43% increase to the fee. Is it enough to make me go for a new phone? I don't know. Maybe. It depends at what point in the life cycle of my device I'm needing a battery replacement. Customers with Apple Care Plus can get an iPhone battery replaced for free if the battery retains less than 80% of its original capacity. Well, Apple just will sell you the insurance as well.
It's just a lot of rules.
Oh, it's always rules, Will.
Terms and conditions.
I was in the dealership the other day picking up the Taycan, and there was somebody nearby. I was just overhearing a conversation, and they were talking about eligibility to purchase the extended warranty. And they're like, well, if you're still within this period of time, you can still get the... And I remember from buying many things at the Apple store, you have up to a year to add Apple Care.
Sure.
Be like, maybe I'll add it at a later date. A little flexibility there.
Yeah.
Definitely not after that. Not after the year. And definitely not if you're buying from this guy. Gil Gunderson.
Old Gil.
I don't remember him with the red jacket.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, he just needs to make another sale. That's all. He's just one sale away. He's always one sale away. From one warranty sale away. One Apple Care Plus sale away.
Poor guy.
Yeah. I might go to the Apple store if this guy was there.
Oh, Jesus.
Well, escalated quickly, man. Anyway, so it's going to cost you more to get a new battery for your iPhone 14, and Apple has already come out and say it. So if you're a person that hangs on to your phone for a period of time or likes to have that fresh battery, just be aware. I don't know. Maybe you want the Apple Care Plus or be prepared to spend $100 on the new battery.